Do you really need to tie the knots to secure the ends before you close the double border? Will it help? It's so much work and it's so boring. Let's make an experiment. I will crochet 6 small swatches using different fiber yarn. We'll tie some tails and we leave some untied. And we will wash all of them for 100 times. I am sure the results will surprise you. Are you excited to see the results? 100% acrylic. Let's check. The start of every row, just a slip knot. Everything is intact. And at the end of every row, here I have few with knots. They are pretty secure. Slightly loosen up. And here are the rows that I finished only with a tied chain 1. Looks pretty good to me. 100% acrylic. Looks pretty awesome. Premium acrylic. It's also called by some brands microfiber acrylic. Start of every row just with a tight slip knot. Everything is in place. At the end of the row, here where I tied some tails, okay, these are pretty loose, and the ends that I finished the rows just with a tied chain 1 look super good to me. What do you think? Wool and acrylic blend. Start of each row. Everything looks perfect. And here the last rows, I tied the knots. Everything is pretty secure. And these are the rows that I finished only with a tied chain 1. Are you surprised to see what I see? Everything looks perfect. Okay, let's move to the next one. This one is cotton and acrylic blend. Start of each row with a tight slip knot. Everything looks perfect. Let's take a look at the ends of each row. These ones, the last ones, I tied with knots. Everything looks perfect to me. And these are the rows that I didn't tie any knots. I just finished these rows with a tied chain 1. Everything looks perfect to me. 100% cotton. Start of each row, just a tight slip knot. Looks perfect to me. And the end of the row, here we tied some knots. They are pretty secure after all these washings. And the tails here, the ends of the rows, where I finished only with a tied chain 1. Everything is safely secure. The last one, 100% wool. Look what happened to this one. Poor little guy. Oh, it was. It felt it. It's 100% wool, and I was washing in full cycle, not like hand wash program. All tails are secure, of course, because they felt it. Okay, what can I say about 100% wool hand wash only? What do you think? Are you still going to tie the knots?